Exercise 10.4 question number 5. You have to read the question. 3 girls, Reshma, Selma and Mandeep, are playing a game by standing on a circle of radius 5 centimeter. So 3 persons are the 3 students are Reshma. So here is the position of Reshma and S for Selma and M for Mandeep. And the distance between the children Reshma and Selma and Mandeep, that is given as 6 centimeter. That means they are sitting at or standing at equal distances. So this is 6. RS is 6 centimeter given. SM also 6 centimeter. And the radius of the circle is given 5 centimeter. You have to find the distance between Reshma and Mandeep. So let us join R and M. We need to find the length RM. Okay. Now join OS. That is the radius of the circle, that is 5 centimeter. And draw perpendiculars to RS and SM. So OP be the perpendicular to the chord RS. Same way OQ be the perpendicular to the chord SM. Okay. Now we can join OR, that are the radii OR and OM. Consider the triangle OPS. Since RS is of length 6 centimeter and OP is perpendicular to the chord from the center, this PS will be its half 3 centimeter. PS is 3 centimeter. Now consider triangle OPS. OS means its radius, that is of length 5 centimeter. Then what will be the length OP? It's a right triangle. OPS, this is 5 centimeter, 3 centimeter. Then what will be the length OP? We have to apply Pythagoras theorem. So base is equal to 3 centimeter. Altitude is equal to, we have to find, and hypotenuse is 5 centimeter. So how can you find altitude? A square equal to h square minus b square. That is 5 square minus 3 square, 25 minus 9, that is 16. So A is equal to 4 centimeter. That means OP. OP means 4 centimeter. Now consider the quadrilateral ORSM. ORSM. See, in that OR and OM are equal radii. And RS and SM are equal given 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter. See, this is 5 centimeter radius. It is a kite. Okay, then its diagonal will be perpendicular to each other. Diagonals of a kite are perpendicular to each other. That means this will be 90 degree. That is the property of a kite. Okay, kite means a quadrilateral in which adjacent pairs are equal. So here OR and OS are equal, RS and MS also equal. So adjacent pairs equal, hence it is a kite. Now the property of the kite means it's a perpendicular, diagonals are perpendicular. Okay. So we can say that, see, diagonals means this OS and MR. Then T, they are intersecting at T, so this angle will be 90 degree. So angle T is 90 degree. Now consider the triangle ORS. Triangle ORS. And there is one perpendicular to one of the side RS. That is OP is perpendicular to RS. Okay. See. OP is perpendicular to RS. Now what is its area? Area of the triangle ORS is equal to half base into height. Half base into height. That is half base means RS. RS is of length 6 cm. So 6 into height means 4. That is 24 by 2 or 12 centimeter square. Okay. Now we are we have to find the length RM. And see, OT is perpendicular to RM. So RT and TM are equal. So if we are getting RT, then its double will be RM. So our intention to find the length RT. Okay. First we found the area of the triangle ORS using RS as base and height OP. Okay. Now we are going to find the area of the same triangle ORS with the base OS and height RS. Okay. So that is equal to, so area of the triangle ORS with the base OS. Then what is the height? RT. So half into base OS. OS into RT. We know the value of OS. OS means the radius, that is 5 centimeter into RT. RT. Okay. Now area of the triangle will be same while you use any of the base. So this value is equal to 12 centimeter square. So 1 by 2 into 5 into RT is equal to 12. That is 5 by 2 RT is equal to 12. So 5 RT. 5 RT is equal to 12 into 2. So RT is equal to, see, 12 into 2 means 24. 24 by 5. That is equal to 4.8 centimeter. RT is equal to 4.8 centimeter. Okay. Now its double is RM. So RM is equal to 4.8 into 2, that is 9.6 centimeter. So the distance between Reshma and Mandeep, that is equal to 9.6 centimeter.